Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Mummy Cat. Let's begin by drawing the shape of her face. Next, her two ears. Her eyes with lashes. Let's draw her triangle-shaped nose and whiskers. Her lip and cheek. I'm drawing the shape of her body. Look, Mummy Cat have opened her eyes. Let's draw her arms and hands. Mummy Cat is the mother of Candy Cat and a wife of Daddy Cat. Next, her tail. Then, her legs and feet. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to Mummy Cat. Her triangle-shaped nose is fuchsia. She has orange blush cheek. Her face and ears are pale shade of orange. Mummy Cat is like a fluffy cloud of love, with whiskers that twinkle and a heart as cozy as a catnap. In the delightful world of Peppa Pig, she's the mother who leads her little ones through whisker-twitching escapades with a gentle smile and a furry embrace. She wears a dark shade of peach dress. Mummy Cat is waving at you. Hi, Mummy Cat. Mummy Cat works at Daddy Pig's office and does computer work and is a builder in the carnival. Mummy Cat also loves to work and talk to people and do a lot of business. We are almost finished. Her tail, arms, hands and legs are pale shade of orange as well. She wears black shoes. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.